Take what's given and give for what you take. Make your ends meet and meet your maker. Take your eye to the mirror, take your eye to the river. There'll meet the eye that'll make you quiver. Oh man, 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 oh man. Are your days too long? Are you losing sleep? Are your arms too full of promises to keep? Are you really sure? Are you keeping for? Or what would happen if they hit the floor? Is it what you do and how that you do that gives you the bit that makes you chew? Does your jaw get tired? Does your head feel wired? Have you figured out a way to get inspired? Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Do you turn for your supper and dance for your dinner? Did you come in first? Do you feel like a winner? Did you get your grub? Do you feel full up? Does your water taste different from a trophy cup? And have you met the many heads of the big eyed beast? It's coming for you, man, it's coming for me. On a 40-foot high, right past the screen. Close your eyes, but the silence screams so subliminal and sweet. No matter how much you heed the call, they want more. Well, did they ever tell you to leave this town? Find a place to settle down. Quit your running and you're rushing around. Would you miss the madness that you found? You say you wanna find a way to the quiet place, sweet surrender of escape. But each new day you're done afraid it's too damn good to walk away. I say it's now for pleasure, not for pain. It's a good life if you don't weaken. Well, I'm running fast, but I was born slow, honey. I don't rock, I just rolled. I started late, but I picked up the pace and a little grace. I just won't break. So if you're ready to fly, if you're ready to fly, if you're ready to come down here and I got a little electric in my spine. It just can't quite get satisfied. The earth shifts underneath my drive. I lose my grip upon this ride. I'm ragged, weary, worn and tired. I'm fever, bright and so. Given and give for what you take. Make your ends meet and meet your maker. Take your eye to the mirror, take your eye to the river. They'll meet the eye